Types of companies. There is 17 types of companies. Discuss detail. On the basis of incorporation. There is 2 types of companies. One is statutory companies and the other one is registered companies. On the basis of liability, divided into limited liability companies and unlimited liability companies. Limited liability companies can be classified into 2 types. One is limited by share. Second one is limited by guarantee. There is 2 types of company on the basis of number of members. 1 public companies. 2 private companies. On the basis of ownership, there is government companies and non-government companies. On the basis of control, can classify as holding company and subsidiary company. Others. Foreign company. Associate companies. One-person company. Small company. Dormant company. Others. Foreign company. Associate companies. One-person company. Small company. Dormant company. Public company means a company which is not a private company. Has a minimum paid up share capital of 5 lakh rupees or such higher paid up capital as may be prescribed. Provided that a company which is a subsidiary of a company, not being a private company, shall be deemed to be public company for the purposes of this act even where such subsidiary company continues to be a private company in its articles. The topic conversion of a public company into a private company will discuss in another video. Private company means having a minimum paid up share capital of 1 lakh rupees or such higher paid up share capital as may be prescribed and which by its articles 1. Restricts the right to transfer its shares. 2. Except in case of one-person company, limits the number of its members to 200. 3. Prohibits any invitation to the public to subscribe for any securities of the company. One-person company means a company in which one man holds the whole of the share capital of the company. Features of one-person company. 1. Dummy members are usually nominees. 2. Can only be incorporated as a private limited company. 3. Can have only 1 member. The 4th of may have only 1 director though more are allowed. 5 words one-person company to be added with the company's name. 6. Annual general meeting not mandatory but if directors more than 1, it should be held. Small company means a company other than a public company. Features. 1. Paid up share capital of which doesn't exceed 50 lakh rupees or such higher amount as may be prescribed which shall not be more than 5 crore rupees or 2. Turnover of which is per its profit and loss account doesn't exceed 2 crore rupees or such higher amount as may be prescribed which shall not be more than 20 crore rupees. Provided that it shall not apply to 1. Holding or subsidiary company. 2. A company registered under Section 8. 3. A company governed by any special act. Government company means any company in which not less than 51% the paid up share capital is held. 1. By the central government or by any 2. State government or governments or partly by the central government and partly by one or more state governments. And includes a company which is a subsidiary company of such a government company. Foreign company. Any company incorporated outside India which has an established place of business in India or through an agent physically or electronic mode. A company is considered to be an associate company of the other, if the other company has significant influence over such company or is a joint venture company. Significant influence means control of at least 20% of total share capital of a company or of business decisions under an agreement. Dormant company. Company which are not carrying on any significant accounting transaction for a period of 2 years can apply to Registrar of Companies for getting declared as dormant. 4. Annual returns not filed for 2 financial years consecutively. Orion Legal Associates. Cochin 18. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe channel for further updates and press bell icon for latest updates.